Welcome to Welldone Mind. 10 words you should eliminate from your vocabulary. You underestimate the impact of your remarks. Your relationships, job, and day-to-day activities are all profoundly impacted by their ideas and deeds. Here are 10 phrases and words that are demoralizing that you should swap out for ones that are uplifting. First, try. The distinction between I'll try to finish and I will finish is significant. Try implies uncertainty and self-doubt, and when the first challenge presents itself, you are practically giving yourself a free pass. However, the term will inspires assurance. It prepares your mind for the activity and encourages you to do it with a can-do attitude, which increases your chances of success. Number 2, problem. If you give it some thought, a problem isn't objective, is it? Any event is completely neutral, but we give it significance by labeling it. As a result, it's an issue because you think it is. It's just how you see it. If you see it more as a challenge, you'll be motivated to look for a solution, which will make you proactive as opposed to reactive. Third, have to. What percentage of your life is devoted to obligations? Things that you must do? The statement implies that you are powerless over the course of your day, your choices, and your life. It could make you feel like a victim, or at least it might make you seem like one to others. Yes, we have all done things that we don't particularly like. However, telling you that you must act only saps your enthusiasm and reduces you to a mere cog in the machinery. Instead, use the words "I'm going to" in its place. Your confidence will increase since it conveys the notion of more control. Fourth, but. Everything that comes before the term but is cancelled or negated by it. Your mind only hears "I don't have time" when you say, "I want to finish reading this book, but I don't have the time." It's a road blocking your way, yet you're not even attempting to get around it. Therefore, swap out that "but for" and the next time you wish to do something. Before you can even conceive of an excuse, you'll be fooling your mind into figuring out how to make it happen. Cant is number 5. Many goals and aspirations have been crushed by the word cannot. It throws up a roadblock right in the middle of everything and prevents you from ever moving on. You give up any opportunity you may have had by declaring "I can't" since you allowed uncertainty to take control. Give yourself justifications for why it can happen rather than justifications for why it can't. Solutions rather than reasons why something won't work out allow you to take advantage of a wider range of options. Failure is number 6. Look, not everything will work out the way you planned. You didn't fail because of that. Additionally, it does not represent your skills or value as a person. It's merely an occurrence. A situation that taught you something. You regain control of the situation and are motivated to find a solution if you substitute the word failure with "I'm learning." 7th, should. Most of the time, we mean good when we use the term should. But it frequently causes feelings of annoyance, guilt, and regret. It may also imply that something is required, as in the case of "I should go to the gym." The truth is that you could do something if you truly wanted to. As a result, decide. You might say either "I chose to go to the gym today" or "I choose not to." It not only increases your sense of control but also eliminates the burdensomeness of the activity. 8th, hate. The word hate is potent and creates a toxic stew of negativity, rage, and resentment. It also has bodily effects like tightening your muscles and making you breathless. Take a step back and stop putting so much of an emotional, mental, and physical burden on yourself. Give yourself a moment and concentrate on the good. You don't have to despise the other thing just because you favor one over the other. You could, for instance, prefer social science and deserted highways to math and rush hour. Saying "I prefer" makes you appear friendlier and personable without diluting your point of view. People will be able to identify with your preferences, and the dialogue will move in a more constructive manner. Number 9. Sometimes. Someday is a term that allows you to avoid making a meaningful commitment because it is not a specific date on the calendar. Saying "I'll start a business someday" conveys a lack of confidence in your capacity to act today. You deprive yourself of the experience when you put off something you want to do. Do not continue to put off what you actually want to do until a later time if you truly want to. Do it now. Or, at the very least, decide on a firm start date and follow through on it. 10. It's impossible. Ignore the word completely. To quit up before you've even tried something is impossible. It gives you the impression that you are completely hopeless. Instead, you can say that something is difficult or challenging, which indicates that it will be a journey of learning. Anything is possible if you put your mind to it. Without exceptions really, all you require is a minor attitude adjustment. Words have the ability to make or shatter relationships and circumstances. You can move mountains if you know how to use them. If you choose the incorrect ones, you'll get bogged down. If we are the authors of our own stories, make your narrative more upbeat and optimistic to position yourself for success. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and tell your friends about it so we can make more like it. Click the subscribe button to see more content like this, and don't forget to activate the notification bell. Watch our other videos as well if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.